It's Jhozae and I'm here to slay. Come to you, not here to play. So get your likes in. Try to get those comments in.
Hey you guys, I'm back for another video, and in today's video, you guys, I'm about to be cooking, and I figured that why not just record. You guys, I don't cook by the book. I cook from up here and what I think I should do, but I do take the basis of stuff, so I guess I can get you guys started on what I'm about to do, or what I am doing. So here, I'm just making, this is just butter, peppers, onions, and mushrooms. I'm getting this all like soft or whatever the case may be, because I'm going to be mixing this with my lima beans and cooking that down soft, and I'm going to make gravy out of this. Then right here, I'm just boiling noodles because I'm about to make my macaroni and cheese. We're just gonna shake her up a little bit, get her a little stern. We don't want none of them sticking to the pot. Make sure you put butter in your pot, some salt if need be. All right, you guys, so I added some water to this and I put the lima beans in. I'm about to let these cook down until they're soft. I put a little bit of the gravy mix in there. I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there to make this gravy, and then I'm gonna season it the way I like it. Of course, this is just to thicken it up. I could just put flour in there, but girl, let's just do something different. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to do this because I'm on the phone with my sis or whatever, but so what I do is after I boiled the noodles, I put the noodles in, I left them in a pot, just drained the water out. I put 4 eggs in there, that's 4, and then I put a can of, or evaporated milk. I put a can of that in there just to make the thickness, and it's full. And then I just start putting cheese to my discretion. So I got sharp cheddar, I got this Mexican blend because I like flavor, and I have Monterey Jack, and then I also have some mozzarella. I'm gonna cover this up with aluminum foil, put this in the oven. I got it on 350, and then I'm gonna uncover it, and when I uncover it, I'm gonna put cheese on the top, put it back in the oven with no aluminum foil on top of it. And then I'm going to let it brown up a little bit. Not too much brown, but enough. And I'm going to put like just the sharp cheddar and the mozzarella on top of it. And that thing going to be hitting. It already looks good and gooey and juicy. That's what we look for in some macaroni and cheese. This is the first big step. And back here, I still have the beans cooking. I'm about to add more water and gravy to it. And these should be good and done. Okay, real quick. So I put the yams inside of a saucer pan, I guess is what you want to call it. So I put the yams in here with some butter, and I put sugar, and I put vanilla extract on there. I'm about to cover this up. The butter and all that stuff is gonna cook. I'm gonna let it sit in there while I got my macaroni and cheese cooking, which is 47 more minutes to go. This is really at a gravy consistency now. I'm gonna let it like cook down a little bit more, and then I'm pretty much done with this, because this is really just gonna be gravy with on top of the rice. So I gotta taste it. I always taste my stuff. That's how I cook. I cook by taste. If I like it, I keep it. If I don't, all right. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just making some rice in a rice cooker. Is the biggest gem that I have. So you want to get all the starch off, not all of it, but you want to get a majority of the starch off your rice. So you clean your rice and you drain it. Once this is done, so I put 4 cups of rice in here. So I fill it up to the line that says 4 on here, and then I put it in the rice cooker, and then there's rice. Okay, for my greens, these literally are just mixed greens that come in a can. The Glory, whatever her name is, Glory something. And that's being lazy. I'm probably gonna add like some maybe peppers or something to it, maybe some spice, and that's it.
What did she say?
You are so chaotic. Yo, I got the food on pause. I'm just on the phone with my sis. Glow, say what's good.
She was like, hey y'all, what's up y'all? It's your girl DJ Lachey. Don't care what they gotta say.
Okay. Y'all, so me and my sis on the phone talking or whatever. I'm telling her about the situation. I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I don't know who watched my channel, but basically like... Basically, everybody's tough until they meet somebody tougher. It's just, that's what it is. Especially people that don't really fight like that. And then when they finally get into a fight, it's just like, don't victimize yourself either. Like, don't. You can't be tough.
No, like the girl Brittany Taylor. She said Bianca jumped me. Remy Ma was like,
oh yeah, isn't Remy Ma in jail for that? Oh yeah.
No, Remy Ma punched her in her face.
Yeah, and ain't she in jail right now because of that? My thing is this, like,
I think she about to go to jail.
The thing about it is people like to really talk. They like to run their mouths, but they not about those hands. They like it because they know that they're going to put the law behind them. Like, I don't know. For me, the way I grew up is you talk shit, you get hit. Period.
Yeah.
No arguments, no nothing. Period. You talk shit, you get hit. If you don't want that kind of negativity in your life, then you need to just be quiet, sir. You need to keep it down. Have a moment to yourself. I'm at my match. I had this time. So this one guy I fought. I was in like, I think I was in 6th grade and he was in 9th. And I didn't like his girlfriend, so I was talking all of this crap. And then he pushed me and I just punched him in his face and he beat me right up.
Hey.
But the way I will fight that man again, I don't give a goddamn move.
you know, I used to be beating my ex-boyfriend up.
Now look over.
Once he slapped me, the death slap, I would get out there to go cry. How you gonna cry when you hit me? You damn dog. How you gonna cry when you hit me? You hit me, I didn't cry. But as soon as I hit you, then you want to say,
you wanna have too much.
I said, oh, but I thought you were macho.
You were tough, oh. That man was too tough.
I was like, that man was too tough.
He was too tough, oh.
The boy gonna start crying. The boy said, Gigi, why would you hit me like that? I said, cause you hit me. What
you touched me.
So you P-fuss on me, so I can't P-fuss on you. Correct.
Yo, you got me fucking dead. It really do be like that though. When I used to fight with Jermaine, that man, the first time he slapped me, I said, stop touching me. Stop touching me. He didn't want to stop touching me. And the next thing you know, I'm his ass.
Started giving him that two-piece fried
Girl, I gave him that biscuit too. The dry one from Papa-O.
Oh, the Papa biscuit?
That Papa biscuit.
Correct, Jhozae. Correct, yeah.
You see me so.
You fussing your friend.
The way I flock that man.
You fussing your friend beat you, then you crying. What you crying for? You keep fussing your friend fuck your ass, then you crying. Don't talk to me, oh. Go back out there,
Dead ass.
That's what I'm gonna tell my kids. I'm saying you got P-fuss on these American kids. P-fuss on these American kids and they beat your ass. You better go back and fight. Don't come back home crying.
That's it.
Anyone be rebel? Go back, go fight.
Yep, my mom used to really do that. My mom dead ass used to do that. Like, go fight. No, you gotta go fight now. You be talking all that.
Tell me, Shanta wasn't a fighter. Shanta said, go fight, boy. I said, how you gonna tell me you fight and you not?
And you won't do it. Girl. Okay, y'all, so my chicken, I'm doing chicken strips. So I got the chicken here. I got egg, and it's mixed with like some adobo, some pepper, just a little seasoning. And I got flour here, a bag of flour, shake and bake style. Boom, that's cooking. Corn is cooking. I decided to do corn, and I got cornbread in the oven. My friends just texted me and said that they're about to be coming on their way soon. So, okay, y'all. So this is the finished product, macaroni and cheese. We have arroz. This is some gravy that I made with lima beans. So it's pretty much lima beans. I like to put them on top of my rice. My cornbread, which is bomb. I made some corn on the cob spontaneously. I got some mixed greens here. And then we have our fried chicken. I wanted to make brownies for my brownie, but I think everybody's gonna be really full. Now I'm just waiting for my friends to get here. They better come on because the food is starting to get a little cold. So I feel like we gotta be using the microwave. That is just not my business though. I was eating most of the time though, because when I cook, I like to just keep trying my food when it's meat there. So yeah, the food looks really good. But they're bringing drinks, so girl, and I'm off tomorrow, so happy Mother's Day to me. I just talked to my son, and he got me a necklace that has his initial on it because he's so thoughtful. Then I got our drinks. We have some drinks here, some drinks there. It's like 2 things of soda up there, and I have water. So this is probably gonna be my like last kind of party. I think I said I was gonna do one I was gonna do a housewarming, but my house is pretty warm. Y'all, they are here. They're just taking their time to walk in. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh, she's cute. Make sure your feet don't say, oh, thank you. Hey, bitch.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm making a video. I was in the middle making a video.
We brought you champagne.
Oh, thank you so much. Y'all, I'm about to cry. Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you. All right, my nigga's here, y'all, so I'm hungry as fuck. So I'm about to eat, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. You look cute as fuck, bitch. You look this so cute at Shaky B. I know that's the top. Make sure you guys click on those past videos I missed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, you're never disappointed. Oh, turn the notification bell on. It is down here. Turn it on, get everything I post. My poster on. I just want to say that I love you guys. Be true. Do you? Bye, you.